Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I wish I was there with you, but I kind of am there with you because, here I am. And also, can you see the sign behind me? You are here. Oh, God, I love it. Anyway, I thought I'd send you a personal happy Thanksgiving today. And then if I was there, I would bring three things to Thanksgiving dinner. And so I'm going to bring them to you anyway. So I don't know about your Thanksgiving traditions, but one of my favorite Thanksgiving traditions is the relish tray. I love I love the pickles and the olives and all of that. It's one of my favorite parts of Thanksgiving. And mostly I eat the whole relish tray before dinner, especially the olives. So anyway, so coming to your house, I would bring you colossal. Can you see the garlic in there? Garlic stuffed olives would be on my relish tray. And then also on my relish tray would be a hot pickled Brussels sprout. They're super yummy. And then, of course, the sweet little gherkin pickles. And because I'm from the South, I would have to bring pickled okra. Spicy. So good. And one of my favorite parts about the relish tray are the black olives because they have to come in a can like this. And you have to pretty much put them on your fingers and do like little, puppet shows with black olives with your twin brother. If your twin brother is in there, you got to do it with somebody, and then you eat them like that. Mm-hmm. Mm. Why do I love these so much? I don't know, but I do. So, besides the relish tray, there's two more things that I would bring for Thanksgiving dinner. Ready for the next one? Can you guess what it is? Nope. Jokes. Thanksgiving Day jokes. So here are two jokes for you. One is, why did they let the turkey join the band? Because he had the drumsticks. But bump. It's a good thing I'm so easily amused. The next joke is, why did the turkey cross the road? To prove he wasn't chicken. Come on, now that is a good one. All right, the third thing I'm bringing for you today for Thanksgiving is a song. Except I don't know any Thanksgiving songs. Do you? There's probably some German one about children getting put in the oven and roasted instead of a turkey. Something grim with a little rhyming song. But I don't know that. I don't know those songs. Well, actually, Germans wouldn't be celebrating Thanksgiving. So anyway, here's I decided the closest thing I could come up with is a love song. So I'm going to sing you my love song for Thanksgiving. All right. Oh, first of all, well, number one, I almost forgot about this special whistle that I found today while cleaning my closet. A song is coming up for you. And then I almost forgot about these. This sticky. These are for Thanksgiving too, because you got the turkey in the oven and the oven mitts sing. It might even be a duet. We're gonna sing a love song. Here, by the way, this is 2:00 in the afternoon and I'm totally sober. Okay, here we go. A one and a two and a 1, 2, 3. Love is something when you give it away. You give it away. you give it away. Love is something when you give it away, you end up having more. It's just like a magic penny. Hold it too tightly and you won't have any. Lend it and spend it, you'll have so many. They'll roll all over the floor. Sing it with me. Love is something when you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Love is something when you give it away, you end up having more. I'm sure you guys are all feeling the love there at Smile Bar and love for each other. And I'm sending my love to you. And go for a walk today for me. All right. I love you. Cheers.